Okay, what I'm trying to do here is I want to connect this speedometer into my K75, but I want to make sure that whatever I do, it's going to connect clean and it's not going to make it that hard. So what I was trying to do initially was to separate the cables from this pin casing. The first one I kind of took my Dremel and started cutting it, and I decided I was going to try to do it a little bit smarter. So one thing that I did, and I figured out how to do it, it has a little red bar here in the center that goes there. So I pushed it out, came out, and then I took a set of pliers and a little clip, and this seems to work fine because I tried pushing it with a nail and it didn't work well. And you will see, maybe, I don't know if you can definitely identify it, but it has like a little L shape in there, and that's where the pin goes in. So what you will want to do is put the pin in as far as you can and pull on this side of the cable. Now I need both hands to do it, and unfortunately I don't have my holder, camera holder, but again, it shouldn't be that hard. Push it in, all the way in, and then pull this cable out, and it will come out. And that will give you this clean pin that I'm hoping to then insert into my speedometer here. One thing that you might want to do is make sure you disconnect your battery, because this one here, this red one at least, it's the power one, and if it starts touching one of these others, it might create a little bit of a circuit over there. This is a K75 trying to put a speedometer, electronic speedometer on the bike.